So one size does not fit all. It's a very common misconception in the marketplace that pretty much a mortgage is a mortgage is a mortgage. And at the end of the day, well, yes, you are getting a loan. What you need to do to get that loan does vary quite significantly. And as a result, the banks have actually set up various different products which will be suited to each individual circumstances. And in order for you to obtain a mortgage, you have to fall into one of these products. Now, there are many because there are so many different unique circumstances that people bring forward when they put forward an application that the bank has created many products. And there can be up to about 80 different products that are out there. So there is quite a lot, but that really just goes to show you that it's not a one-size-fits-all situation. Really, things vary depending on your circumstances. So one of the biggest things banks look at when qualifying you for a mortgage is your income to debt ratio. And the income itself and the source of that income. Is that income self-employed income? Is that income full-time income? Is that income part-time income? Is that income contract income? Is that income cash income, like from a waitress or a taxi driver, for example? Is that income from the US, from a US citizen? So there are so many different types of income, and the bank breaks it all up as they do when they qualify you into a different product. So when you come to a mortgage agent to discuss obtaining a mortgage, there's so many different products out there, and each bank has their own set of criteria to fulfilling each product. So for example, if you are a commissioned person, well, what else other than your income do you need to qualify for this mortgage? And they have a whole list of parameters that need to be fulfilled, but those will vary by institution. So ratios and percentages may vary, levels of income itself may vary. There's a whole bunch of different things that is really taken into consideration. So it's my job to sit down and work with you to identify which one of these products best fits your needs when we're submitting an application to the bank, and making sure that we're submitting it to the right bank. So what would happen is we go through the process of identifying your specific situation, and then it's called packaging a deal. So basically we're pulling together all of that information and presenting it to the financial institution based on the way that they want to see it, so that it fits within one of the products that they have. Because if it doesn't fit within one of their products, they will reject the application. And as I mentioned, it does vary from bank to bank. So we'll submit that to the bank and obtain an approval from you. And once we have that commitment, we then take it to the next level of fulfilling that commitment. My name is Diana Butler. I work with Dominion Lending out of the RE/MAX office. If you wanted to get some more information exactly on what type of products exists out there and how I may be able to help you qualify for a mortgage, please do give me a shout. My phone number is 905-336-7300, and I'd be happy to explain it to you in further detail and get you into that dream home of yours.